On that deep?
Yeah.
Here we go. First fish of the day with Dog. Are we gonna show them what we're catching these things on? I won't. Yeah.
See this?
It's pregnant.
That fish is up.
Can we show them what you're using?
Coal pinhole right here.
Oh, you're right.
See it? Look, finger through it.
So that fish was caught and released and is now living nearby. We won't publish this video till after the tournament, but as soon as Mark gets that out of his mouth, we're gonna show you what he caught it on. Because we ain't afraid to show you what we caught him on. Ain't that right? Okay. Uh-huh.
Oh, that's a solid.
It's a solid fish for Oroville. Cool. Yes, he came up and cracked it. Nice fish. Yep. Suspended. 2 suspended fish so far. You see me? You see Mark? There he is. Thanks, Dog.
Had my heart in the right place at the wrong time with the right girl in another world. Maybe
very
we would be
slow.
together still. If you hear this and resent that.
Well, you just saw it. A-rig fish. Whatever. Pretty fun. Let me see if there's any hooks in his mouth. He's a clean fish.
I can make it. I showed him the power and youth, power and truth. The younger you stay, the closer you are to your roots. That's the reason I know. I can teach you how to hit the skies, rise above them without getting high. But if it help a bit, take a little hit, take a little sip, put your mind at ease. Swear you got the keys, you can have your dreams. That's up to you.
We got it all on camera.
I swear that's the part that took longest for me. Cause when I drop into a beat, I detach from the world, view it under my feet, orbit around my dreams, and there I perceive my reality and what it means. Music is where I can breathe, the world in between. What I am, what I was, what I will be. It's the only place that I feel free. Hope you feel me.
Oh boy. Changing up. Yeah, that's a nicer fish. Nice! Cracked him. They're on this reaction bite, dude. Get Dog eating that pizza. Smart Dog. Smart Dog on a big donkey. Oh, I see him. He's huge. Holy hell. Was that a Mackinaw? He just caught a striper. A Mackinaw. Yeah, let that thing run, dude. This is sick. I think it's a Mackinaw.
I'm telling you that somebody lied.
I'm
someone who's been to the other side. Blurring the lines between earth and mind. She's a lost girl in a lost world, but I know what she's trying to find.
Oh, look at this thing. That is gorgeous. I'm good, you can. Oh, look how beautiful this is. Dude. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Watch myself, watch us. Ah, he's hooked. I'm hooked, you're hooked. It's okay, I'm hooked. Let's go, Dog! Dog! Ah! He's off! Yes!
Look at that! What a rip bait!
It's all on camera!
What a rip bait! What a beauty!
Turn your live wheel on.
Is that cool? Is that dope, dude?
That's sick.
She'll fucking be pissed if I don't.